Looking for the perfect hard tonneau cover to protect your truck bed and elevate your vehicle style? Imagine turning heads while knowing your cargo is shielded from prying eyes and harsh weather. In today's video, we've handpicked the top 5 best hard tonneau covers that combine durability, sleek designs, and unmatched security. Each cover is built to cater to your truck's performance and your lifestyle needs. Whether it's work or adventure, these covers are investments you won't regret. Ready to secure your truck's future? Let's explore. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Number 1. AutoBull Hard Top Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Transform your truck into a blend of power and sophistication with the AutoBull Hard Top Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically to fit the 1999 through 2025 Ford F250 and F350 Super Duty models with 8.2 feet beds, this cover promises more than just functionality. It is a complete upgrade to your truck's personality. Built with superior alloy steel and fiberglass materials, it redefines durability, offering long-lasting performance for the most demanding conditions. Whether you rely on your truck for work or adventure, this tonneau cover protects your cargo from unpredictable weather, dirt, and prying eyes, keeping your belongings safe without compromise. The streamlined design adds a polished aesthetic to your truck while enhancing aerodynamics, contributing to improved fuel efficiency on the open road. Every detail has been crafted with precision to meet the needs of truck owners who refuse to sacrifice strength for style. This tri-fold design not only gives you quick and full bed access, but also ensures seamless installation, turning your vehicle into a reliable partner you can depend on. Imagine driving with the confidence of knowing that both your truck and its contents are secure, no matter where the road takes you. AutoBull Hard Top Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover is more than a truck accessory. It is peace of mind. Allow your truck to exude power, style, and protection like never before. Discover the difference today. The price is around $530. Number 2. FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Transform the way you experience your truck with the FTUO FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover, specifically crafted to fit 2017 through 2025 Nissan Titan models with or without the UtiliTrack system and a 5.5 feet bed. This premium cover is built to protect not just your truck bed, but your peace of mind. Whether you use your truck for daily commutes, weekend getaways, or worksite hauls, this cover ensures your belongings are shielded from weather, dust, and unexpected encounters. Constructed with advanced fiberglass reinforced polymer materials, this cover is engineered for lasting strength and resilience. Picture yourself arriving at a destination with confidence, knowing your cargo is secure and your truck looks polished, professional, and ready for any situation. Its clean, low-profile design integrates seamlessly with your truck, enhancing its overall appearance while giving you the security you need. Every trip becomes a smoother experience as the advanced aerodynamic design helps with fuel savings and reduces drag. Ideal for busy individuals and adventurers alike, this tonneau cover eliminates the constant worry about exposed cargo or wear from external elements. Imagine the satisfaction of opening your truck bed only to find your products or gear exactly as you left them, protected and intact. With FTUO FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover, your vehicle becomes an extension of your lifestyle, ready to perform whenever and wherever you need it. It is about taking pride in your truck while making it more dependable than ever. Bring home the protection and premium quality it deserves. The price is around $500. Number 3. Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Give your truck a refined edge and powerful protection with the Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, tailor-made for 2019 through 2025 Chevrolet, Silverado, and GMC Sierra models, seamlessly compatible with multi-pro and flex tailgates. Elevate your everyday drives or work journeys with peace of mind, knowing this cover transforms your truck into a combination of style, strength, and security. Carefully crafted to endure the elements and protect your valuable cargo, this tonneau cover offers a protective shield against rain, snow, UV rays, and debris. Imagine the confidence of knowing your tools, equipment, or personal items are safe from damage or prying eyes no matter where you go. Beyond functionality, its sleek, modern design adds a layer of sophistication to your vehicle, making heads turn wherever your journey takes you. Designed to support your lifestyle, from busy weekday hauls to adventurous weekend escapes, The Gator EFX Hard Trifold Tonneau cover adds not only protection, but also convenience and efficiency to your experience. Envision a truck bed seamlessly secured, offering you more time to focus on your adventures rather than worrying about your belongings. Pairing enhanced security with improved aerodynamics, this cover supports fuel savings, helping you get the most out of every gallon. It is more than just an addition to your truck. It is an investment in peace of mind, confidence, and durability. Let this durable and stylish upgrade transform your Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra into a reliable partner for whatever the road ahead brings. The price is around $650. Number 4. Just V Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Enhance your Toyota Tundra with the perfect balance of strength and style by choosing the Just V Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Specially designed for 2014 through 2023 Toyota Tundra Crew Max cab models with a 5.5 feet bed, this cover is crafted to offer unmatched cargo protection while adding a sleek, refined look to your vehicle. When life demands reliability, this durable cover stands as a trusted shield for your belongings, safeguarding them from unpredictable weather, dust, and prying eyes. Picture heading to a work site or embarking on a weekend retreat, knowing your tools, equipment, or gear are stored securely under a hard, reinforced layer. The textured black finish brings a bold statement to your truck, making it look as rugged as it feels, all while enhancing its overall aesthetic. Beyond its outer appeal, this design works to improve your truck's efficiency by reducing wind drag, helping you save fuel as you conquer every mile. For those who value both protection and sophistication, this tonneau cover becomes an essential part of your daily routine, transforming chaos into order. Its carefully engineered materials provide reassurance that your truck bed will stand the test of time and mileage. Elevate your experience and gain peace of mind with a tonneau cover that redefines how you travel. The Just V Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover is more than just an accessory. It is a promise of reliability and style, tailored to meet the demands of your ever-changing lifestyle. The price is around $400. Number 5. Gator Trio Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Transform your truck into the ultimate combination of functionality and style with the Gator Trio Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, designed for 2019 through 2024 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra models. This premium upgrade is built to deliver secure protection for your cargo while enhancing the overall appearance of your vehicle. Whether it is for everyday work, weekend adventures, or leisurely road trips, this cover is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. Imagine driving with the confidence that your valuable items are safely stored, untouched by rain, dust, or any other environmental factors. This tough and durable cover acts as a dependable barrier, giving you peace of mind in every situation. Crafted with care and precision, it seamlessly integrates with your truck, providing a sleek, tailored look that does more than just protect. It elevates the appearance of your vehicle. In addition to its rugged functionality, the cover is designed to support efficiency. By improving aerodynamics, it helps you reduce fuel consumption so you can go further with every drive. It offers an investment not only in protection, but also in long-lasting savings. With every journey, the Gator Trio Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover reflects your dedication to reliability, security, and style. It is a blend of practicality and sophistication that ensures you are always prepared for what lies ahead. Make every mile count with a truck bed cover that does more than you expect. It becomes your everyday companion. The price is around $800. We believe that you like our best hard tonneau covers. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comments section, tell me which hard tonneau cover you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.